guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Randy Rocket.
I'm Aspen Star. This is Scooby. He's going to be joining us today.
And we have something cool for you guys today. We got the dirt bike in the back. We got the Coleman. It's going to be a fun day. We also have a skimboard in the back, and we're going to do something cool for you guys with that. Peace! Ew. This is Bertha right here. She's fast. A little too fast. Costs more than my truck. You guys want to hear this thing start up? Tell us what you guys like in these videos. Like, tell us what you guys want to see more. We're just trying, and hopefully you guys like them. But here we go. Let's start this bad boy up. I haven't started it in a week. It's gonna be a little rusty. What's up, baby?
What's up? Scooby likes his steak.
Yeah, he does. I don't even think he eats dog food. I think he only eats sticks. So what we're doing with that skimboard is we're gonna hook a rope to either the truck or the dirt bike. One of those two. Nobody knows how to ride a dirt bike besides me, so we might not be using the dirt bike, but that'd be cool. I think
we're gonna figure it out.
Yeah, we're gonna tie the rope to the truck,
which hopefully we can do.
Yeah.
The only thing is that you might get stuck. The truck might get stuck, and we have nothing to pull the truck out.
I might get an infection, bro. Look at this, guys. Nasty. But
it's really low.
That's what I'm gonna do. Skimboard behind the truck on the water. Stay tuned, it's gonna be sick. Peace. Let's get it. Doing some donuts or riding my dirt bike. Woo! Look at Aspen, she sank in the mud.
Oh! I just messed up so bad.
Yeah, should I put seatbelt on it? You ever flip this bitch?
What?
Think you could flip it?
Flip what?
Car.
Yeah. There's always a doubt flipping it. We're doing donuts.
I mean, hey, if I break my head, I'm gonna die anyways, but.
Get the dirt bike. Guys, get that. That was sick, bro. McKenna did not see any of that. Oh my god, you're so dusty.
Look how nice. It's all clean still.
It's still so clean.
She was in the eye of the storm. Dirt biking was sick.
Time to go skimboarding.
Yeah, let's get it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Texas. Thank you guys for joining.
Hope you guys liked the video. This has been Prosser. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.
Peace.